Hi, my name is Ali, and this is my presentation on recent technology innovations which have a significant impact on Thales' technology future. First off, on the business side, Amazon has combined logistics, data, and processes for a competitive advantage. Similarly, Costco integrated technology and data into their business. For example, they sell Apple devices cheaper than Apple as part of a holistic strategy, just like how Amazon will sell for a loss. Thales is a major retailer, and commerce now involves data science and data mining. This is somewhat related to how TV services saw new competitors enter with a very different business model as seen by Netflix. Next off, we have Google, which has entered telecom as well as home internet. Google is currently bundling things together. For example, the Pixel Pass, which bundles a phone every 2 years with Google services, but not telecom and fiber. This is a slippery slope towards vertical integration in which Google will engineer, sell, and provide services for their devices. However, the lack of fiber and telecom networks, Apple could follow this model, and that would be more impactful to Thales because iPhones account for 30% of the market, but Pixel only accounts for 4%. In terms of smart home security, Thales can be more data driven, combining pre existing competencies with user trust. Thales has advantage over Google in commercial and condo buildings. Next off, I'd like to talk about some revolutionary technologies. I do not consider data science to be one of these because it is suspiciously similar to operations research, which was huge way back in World War II. Similarly, machine learning and neural networks are by no means recent. Microservices enable Thales to be not paying for unused servers because capacity is elastic. This saves heat, electricity, and money, and enables the scaling up of services in a matter of minutes, and enables software defined networking to scale. 5G will be very important for IoT, smart home security, as well as autonomous navigation. However, latency and availability are current key issues. Vehicles may need to offload computing because a Toyota lasts twice as long as a computer. So perhaps it's wise to avoid having a computer in the car, mainly because there are diminishing returns in model performance from a larger and more computationally expensive model. But this is the only way to increase performance. COVID has forced trust in non face to face interaction, which is great for telehealth. Thales has an amazing reputation and level of trust far beyond the largest corporations, and I think telehealth will have high growth in the coming years. Cybersecurity has offers out new business opportunities. For example, to provide security to end user for third-party IoT devices, which are a proven security risk. Similarly, Thales has security appliances can be very easily retooled to for big data and compete directly against Splunk. In terms of the coming 5 to 20 years, Thales Health can be a big part of uh, drug discovery and biofuel, conserving and stabilizing the environment, possibly that of other planets or asteroids, and the more well-known and well-discussed medical innovations such as automation improvement of health processes, like how Amazon applied data science to commerce. Lastly, I'd like to talk about post-quantum cryptography. All traditional encryption is going to be broken with the advent and a successful use of quantum computers. So this is definitely a key area of growth. The market is always changing, and in conclusion, Thales' security strategy is to be a technology company. I predict immense growth in Thales Health and Thales International. Perhaps Thales Cybersecurity will be a new spin off in the near future. It is amazing how technology and data integrate and innovate these very different business lines.